Hello guys, welcome to Mudassir Academy. Hello guys, in this video, as you already see, we are going to make a calculator that is going to solve linear equation. So firstly, we have hash include mass, and then we have using namespace std, int main is here. So before we solve, let's try the problem here. Welcome to Mudassir Academy. We have C++ program to solve linear equation using Mudassir's formula. Okay, before we start writing the program, we have to understand how we are going to make the program. What I actually mean here is that the algorithm in which we're going to follow so our program can work the way we want it to work. Let's check this here. As you can see, linear equation is in the form of, normally equation is, for example, 3x plus 4 equal to 10. If you're going to translate this equation in a word problem format, you can say 3 multiplied by a number, an unknown number, that is x, is being multiplied by 3, and we add 4 to the result, we obtain 10. What is the number? So that is find x. In this line, we say, remember, linear equation is in the form of y equal to mx plus c. Y equal to mx plus c. This y here is representing this 10 here. This m here is representing this 3 here. And the x here is the same thing as this x here. The c here is the same thing as this c here. So you can see, I can make it to be 10 equal to 3x plus 4. Y equal to mx plus 4. So here we say, to solve using matrix, we are going to solve linear equation using matrix. This is my formula. I created the formula. When I was trying to give the computer an instruction to solve linear equation, I have to sit and create a simplest method of solving linear equation so I can give my formula to my C++ compiler. Then the compiler is going to follow the instruction and execute my program the way I want it to be. We said if y equal to mx, if you can look at this place, if y equal to mx plus c and our equation is 3x plus 4 equal to 10, we can make it to be 10 equal to 3x plus 4. Yeah, this 10 here is representing the y here, and then the 3x here is mx here, and c is this one. So our slope is m, our slope here is 3. And then this one, this our y is the same thing as this thing. So as you can see, the equation here is just like I transformed the equation so that it can look like this one, so we can know how to create our matrix. Then we say using Mudassir's formula, we first form a matrix using the equation. So this matrix M, the Mudassir's matrix is going to be M, this is your first column, and then C, Y. Our M is the slope, and then we have our C as the intercept, and we have our Y here. So it's the same thing as saying our M here, small letter m is what? Is 3. And this small letter m again is what? Is 3. This C here is what? Is 4. And then this m here is 10. After this step, the next step to do is to solve or to find the determinant of the matrix. So the next step is to use the formula, which is x equal to this x is we're going to find the value of x. This x here stands for our unknown. If your unknown is a, you're going to use a here. A equal to, if your unknown is d, d equal to. So my unknown is x. So x equal to determinant of matrix M all over small letter m square all over my what? My slope square. Then the determinant of the matrix is given as capital letter M equal to m multiplied by y minus m multiplied by c, which is something as m times y is 3 times 10. M is 3, y is 10, minus m times c, m is 3 and c is 4. So I'm going to have 30 minus 12, which is something as 18. Then the next thing to do is to say, since the determinant of the matrix is 18, then we say 18 divided by m squared, which is 3 times 3. So we're going to have 18 over 9, and our answer is 2. So this is my formula, and this is how my formula use matrix to solve a linear equation. Now, the next thing to do here is to go to our compiler, see how we're going to manipulate this formula and solve it. In our compiler, the equation is going to be simpler than you see it here. So let's enter. The first thing I need to create 3 to 4 variable. Let's say floats y, m, c, date, and x. So these are all the variables I need to solve this problem. So after creating, this variable is going to hold our y, this variable is going to hold our m, is going to hold our c, this one is going to hold the determinant, and this one is going to store our answer. So firstly, we do something like this. C out, we set C out, enter value, or let's say enter y, just like this. And we have C in y. And we have again, let's just copy this one. Control C. And let's paste 3 times. So this one should be enter M. This one should be enter C. And we have something here like M and the C. So after this line of code is very simple. The next thing is to what? To find the determinant of the matrix. So let's come here. Let's go back to our word and see. So the determinant of the matrix is this one. So we have something like this. So let's just copy this one from here. Just directly Control C, and I come to my dev C++ here. So and I put Control V here. So my M, this one is the determinant of the matrix, and I declare the variable here to be date. So I have to put date, and this times is star. So I put star. Computer understands star as times. Hold your shift plus 8, and I put my semicolon here. So in this line of code, I have find the determinant of my matrix. The next line of code is to find x. So x equal to determinant date divided by what? Divided by m square. So m square is power m comma 2. Yeah. This is the base. This one is m raised to the power of 2. If you put a here, it will be a to the power of 2. If you put y, it will be y to the power of 2. You can make this one to be like 4 or 5. That is to the power of 5. But me, I want 2. So I keep it like this. And after you put it, you go up here. So what did I even do? I put hash include C master instead of me to put hash include ice cream. So we come here and put hash include ice cream. Yeah, so this hash include C master is to give us the ability to use this power function here, this one in line 12, and this hash include ice cream for our input and output. So let me just take this one up here, and if I run this program F11 and I do like this and I save it, so there is something I forget to do, is to see out x equal to, then we put our x, and that is all. So x equal to, so enter y. What is my y? My y is from the equation, my y is 10. Then m, my m is 3 from that equation. C, and my c is 4 from that equation. As you can see, x equal to 2. So we solve this using my formula, and we give our compiler the formula here, so our compiler can understand the formula and solve this linear equation for us in a simple step. So let's try to run this program again. Create another equation. Let's say we have 5x plus 5 equal to, okay, let's our x to be, let's say 3. Let's come here first. Let's assume we have 5x plus 5 equal to, so I want my x to be 3.5 here. I want my x to be 3.5. I want the value of x to be what? To be 3.5. So 5 times 3.5 is what? 5 times 3.5 is the same thing as saying 5 times 35 divided by 10. So 5 times 35 is the same thing as saying 35 times 10, 350. 350 divided by 2 is 175. 175 divided by 10 is 17.5. So 17.5 plus 5. 17.5 plus 5 is here. If you take 3 and add to this one, is 20.5 and is 22.5. So 22.5. So 5x plus 5 equal to 2.5. So our x will be 3.5. So let's try to run this program and see. 5x plus 5, 22.5. If we run the program, we have what? Y is 22.5. M is 5. C is 5. Can you see? X equal to 3.5. I hope this video is helpful to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing to this channel, share this video, and give it a thumbs up. Let's meet in the next video.